Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, is a type of cloud computing service that offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand on a pay-as-you-go basis. IaaS is one of the four types of cloud services, along with Software as a Service, SaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and serverless. Migrating your organization's infrastructure to an IaaS solution helps you reduce maintenance of on-premises data centers, save money on hardware costs, and gain real-time business insights. IaaS solutions give you the flexibility to scale your IT resources up and down with demand. They also help you quickly provision new applications and increase the reliability of your underlying infrastructure. IaaS lets you bypass the cost and complexity of buying and managing physical servers and data center infrastructure. Each resource is offered as a separate service component, and you only pay for a particular resource for as long as you need it. A cloud computing service provider like Azure manages the infrastructure, while you purchase, install, configure, and manage your own software, including operating systems, middleware, and applications.